In the name of God, the Creator of light. In the name of the Lord of light and bright. Golnoor, light up your life. Golnoor, as a pioneering company in lighting industries in Iran, has obtained an outstanding position among lighting producers through modern science, advanced technologies, specialized workforce, and efficient management. Since the initiation of its activities, Golnoor has been able to introduce itself as a designer and operator of the greatest architectural lighting, general lighting, and solar energy projects in various regions. This has been achieved as a result of permanent commitment to high quality, continuous development, use of technical knowledge, improvements in production lines, and provision of customers' demanded services. Various updated workshops including molding, die-cast, machining, pressing, electrostatic painting, mechanized production of lighting poles and metal structures, diverse assembly lines, modern laboratories cooperating with the standardization organization, together with a wide range of specialized and experienced experts in electronics, mechanics, architecture, civil and structural engineering, industrial design, urbanization, alternative energies, metallurgy, and chemistry have all contributed to presenting Golnoor as one of the largest producers of luminaries in the Middle East. Products and services offered by Golnoor are design and production of lighting products applicable for urban areas, consultation, design, production, product supply, along with operation of and supervision on lighting projects, design and production of various integrated steel structures such as lighting, decoration, solar power plants, traffic, telecommunication, and power transmission structures. Design, production, and supply of anti-explosion electrical equipment used in oil, gas, refinery, and petrochemical industry. Design and operation of projects with regard to solar power plants and solar lighting systems. Design and production of lighting products required at homes and administrative commercial areas. Precise observation of national and international standards, along with technical knowledge and expertise, specialized workforce, and provision of diverse products has enabled Golnoor to improve and expand the national market of products by means of establishing dynamic offices and branches in different countries, and also to export its products to more than 30 countries around the world and earn the title the National Premier Exporter for several years. Golnoor has always had continuous and effective connections with customers by holding a variety of exhibitions and educational seminars, while having a remarkable and effective presence in the social media, which all have helped Golnoor provide the best after-sales services during the shortest period of time. Today, honored by our bright history, we are constantly trying to truly understand the current societal needs and develop our products and available services based on factors such as greater efficiency, better function, smartization, and capability to save energy. These are to preserve the environment and reduce ecological damage, since promoting today's welfare and creating a better future for people will not be possible unless expectations such as energy efficiency consumption and environment preservation are met. Golnoor, Light up your life.